Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life with Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of August 24th through the 30th. Crazy that it's the end of August, which means it's the end of summer. So I'm going to use this kit from Victoria Thatcher called Indian Summer. I printed this out months and months, if not a year ago, probably last summer or early fall. But I just really like it and I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to use it today. So my plan is to use the day covers and the bottom washi. Then I pulled a bunch of extra washi just in case. These are from AliExpress. This one's from AliExpress, and then Michael's and Amazon. So my plan is to use these headers that I have from an old kit from my shop called Birthday Girl. I think the colors go really well. And then I need a third header. So I'm going to use this light purple color, and I'm just going to put that through the middle for the full boxes. And then I'm going to use this habit tracker from the kit from last week. So that's my plan. So I'm going to put down all these headers, the date cover and the bottom washi, and then I will be back for us to do all the fun stuff. All right, there is the base set up. As you might notice, these headers are a little bit too tall, but once I stick the full box in, you aren't even going to be able to tell. So my plan is to use this box that says this week as like my quote box. I think I'm going to put inside it maybe something that's like sunny days or something like that. I'm going to have to think about that a little bit. All right, so I think for the remainder, I feel like these two go together, those two go together, and those two go together. So I'm going to put the flower in the middle on Thursday. I'm going to trim this a little bit. This is using my old sticker paper before I bought what I'm currently using. So that makes this a little bit extra tricky, since I am not very good at this particular material anymore. Alright, then I think I want to do some foxes. This is just like out of control. Alright, that's like pretty good, I think. I'm like trusting that I put my headers down straight, which may or may not be a good assumption, as we've seen before. For reasons that I don't really know, I decided to put the to-do at the top and then today at the bottom, since I don't really feel like the headers are that important to me either way. I decided to just leave it as is. I put the gray ones in the middle, and then I might end up using the one extra set that I have in the sidebar. If I don't, I'll just save them for my leftovers. Sometimes it's nice to stick some extra headers in the sidebar, especially because this particular kit does not have like a huge amount in the way of headers. There's that. Alright, now I feel like we need some pumpkins. So close. All these really skinny things, you guys. There's all these tiny scrippy scraps everywhere. think I want this over here. I don't want to stick all the warm colors on one page and all the cool colors on the other page. I don't think it'll turn out very well. For no other reason than because I would be bad at making that like divide properly. Right. Then these are the last two. Trim these up a little bit. I think I'm going to stick this one over on Sunday because the background color matches the quote box. So I feel like that should be far away from the quote box. Does anyone else feel like they spent a ton of time on full boxes and then at the end feel like you could have put it in literally any order and it would be fine? That's the way I frequently feel. Alright, well, I love how it turned out, so I guess that was a success. Let's move on to the sidebar. So I think I'm actually going to start right with one of these headers that I just said I might use. So this one says to do. I'm going to stick that first. I'm going to leave just a tiny bit of white space right there. Oh, there's scrippy scrap. So many scrippy scraps. And then I think I'm gonna stick this habit tracker right here. Then I think I'm gonna use the today header. I think it'll work okay. So we shall see. Well, that trimming was just like super terrible and I trimmed off some little edges that I probably should have kept. But it's fine. So I'm going to take this sidebar header thing that's included in the kit that says important. I'll put the one that says church bag. I don't know if I'm ever going to use that one, but we'll see. Alright, stick that here. It's like as big as my habit tracker, but that's fine. And I'm going to stick my little today header. And then my plan, I'm going to take this box right here. And I'm going to turn it into a weekly box. Like one of those boxes that says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. Down the side. I'm going to convert this into one of those. So I'm going to stick this down like so. And then I'm just going to take this. So Thursday goes in the center. There we go. So now we have that. My tracker is going to be for Instagram, just like always. I feel like this color actually kind of works. They're from Piper Paper Company. So there's that. And I kind of need to fill in this little bottom space somehow. So I will stick a strip of washi. If I can figure out. There's my slice tool. There we go. And then I need something that goes in this box. So I pulled out these guys, which I bought on AliExpress, or this sticker book. Kind of feel like maybe something from the sticker book will be good. Maybe I'll use this little heart. So this is an American Crafts book. Can I pick this heart up without getting all its like background paper nonsense? cat hair everywhere. Alright, I'm just going to stick that like that. All good. Sidebar done. Alright, for my weekly plans, I have this happy plan book, and I'm going to use this orange because I feel like I want to bring in more orange. So I'm just going to use these to mark work every day. So I'm just going to pull 5 of them out. Right now. There we go. And I'm just going to stick them in. Go. And then on Monday, which one do I want to use? I think this guy. I want to mark that I need to do my plan with me, so that'll be film, edit, upload. I'm not even going to put in anything because there's like that cute little thing right there. Tuesday, nothing exciting is happening. Wednesday, why is this so hard to choose? I guess I'll do this one because it's like right here. Assuming that I can get it to like let go. There we go. So I have like a crazy busy work day. So I'm just going to mark that right there. There might be a fortune fire, I'm not sure. Thursday, nothing's happening. Friday's nothing happening. Saturday, Sunday, I don't know. Nothing's happening probably. So that's all I'm going to fill in, I think. So here is everything before the pen. I'm going to fill it out with my AHA pen just like usual, and then I will be right back. Alright, that's everything that I have for pre-planning. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Alright, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Very colorful. It was kind of an up and down sort of week, but I do like how it turned out. Going down the side, the things that are not in the kit, I will mention the kit came from Victoria Thatcher. The headers are, the labeled ones are from my shop. The habit tracker is from Chasing Shells. This is a Piper paper company. This washi is from Amazon. This is an American Craft sticker. These are all from the Happy Planner. These little like peach colored things are from an old Recollections planner. Chasing Shells, Recollections, more Recollections, Planner One Love, another Chasing Shells, Chasing Shells. I think I broke my toe, so that was not super fun. Planner One Love, another old Recollections planner from Michael's, Creative Cavern Studio. Her shop is closed, but follow her, see, maybe she'll reopen. I would love that. Old Recollections planner, Recollections, Chasing Shells, and that is it. These are also Amazon headers. Alright, so I think that's everything. As always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what kits you're using for this fall. I would love to know. Follow me on Instagram to see in progress and finished spreads. I'm Creative Life of Liz over there as well. And until next time, bye!